Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes online. First, gather all your essential documents, such as your W-2, Form 1099, and any other income or deduction statements. Next, select a reliable online tax software that fits your needs, whether it's a free option or a paid service. Finally, make sure you're using a secure internet connection and a private device to protect your personal information throughout the process. Once your documents are ready and software is chosen, begin entering your financial information. Carefully input all income, deductions, and credits into the designated fields. It's crucial to double-check every entry for accuracy to avoid mistakes that could delay your refund or result in penalties. Take your time reviewing the calculated tax liability or refund amount before moving forward. After a thorough review, you're ready to submit. Electronically sign your return using your personal identification number or by following the software's instructions. Then, simply click to submit your completed tax return directly to the tax authority. Always save a digital or printed copy of your filed return and the confirmation page for your personal records. Once your return is filed, you can track your refund status online using official government tools, usually available within 24 to 48 hours. Be sure to respond promptly to any notices or requests for additional information from the tax authority to avoid complications. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, as well as other great deals to help simplify your life.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.